Life is gonna be great. Can't you see I just
We're back. This is the Mega
now I'm
Bike.
dusting off my wings. I'll go hovering high up there. 'Cause now I'm shaking off the weight. I don't need it all
Ganda ng
free.
sunset.
Without any fear.
Here, ramen
Here
corona.
we'll go, 'cause my life's taking long.
Everyone, it's Sunday and I'm wearing the same outfit from last night, and earlier we bought e-bike. It's color white and nandiyan na daw siya sa street namin. I have pimple and oh my gosh, I have pimple. So let's go, pupuntahan natin yung e-bike. Let's go.
Siyempre papaandarin nila.
There's the... Are you excited for the e-bike? Taiwan, are you excited? Hi everybody, it's Saturday today. And today is the Fiesta of San Roque or Santo Niño. And now, we're gonna go to the Mega Dive. Tapos later, pupunta kami sa night market mamaya and we're gonna buy something. So, let's go! Bye, Ron! Bye, Ron! Bye, Ron! Bye, Ron! We're gonna go to Mega Dive! Okay, bye-bye! We're here in my father's house and this is their new dog, Bogart and Almond. Hi, Bogart! You're so cute! You're so cute! You're so cute, Bogart! I'm here with Bogart. We're gonna go to Mega Dive. There's Tyron.
Bye-bye.
What did you say?
Bye-bye.
Bumaba kami sa e-bike kasi parang hindi kaya. So, let's go. Diyan. We're back. This is the Mega Bike. It's so cute. Hey, Tyron. Oh my God. Nakakatakot. We're so near. Oh!
Sabi lang niya maganda, wala namang bagong papunta na.
Parang ito yung kailangang magano na yung Bluetooth ng Hail Mary.
Pagtagin ng Helberry.
Hail Mary. We're so far sa bangin. Oh. Ang cute ni Tyron. Sabi niya kanina tapos na daw yung Rocky Road Path. So, the lesson in life is after those Rocky Road Path, it can lead you into a straight path. So, Dike with Bogart. Tita Jel is driving. Amber? One. Anim. We're gonna eat Penoy. We ordered pizza, pero Penoy muna.
Kalahati.
Si Bogart kasi pinasama lang ni Tyron, hindi kasama yun eh.
Sabi niya, di sinama.
Okay lang, hindi. Ito.
Ano yung dito? Ano yung
This
yellow
is
dito?
the pizza.
Hot sauce. Hot sauce na? Ketchup ba to?
Ay, yung pag ganon,
Mm.
ganyan aso something. Ito yung, ay, ba't laging magkamukha?
Ay, maanghang yan.
Ito hot sauce, ito ketchup.
Ayaw talaga ng kuya. Tyron, kain ka muna, tikman mo lang. Mas kumiyap si Tyron. Ayaw pala niya eh. O, ito na lang sa'yo, o. Ano gusto mo? Uy, bunso. Ang init ko.
Wow!
Hindi kumain ka ng penoy, bumili ako. Penoy pa dito.
Please. Take mo na, take please.
Mm.
Getel.
Ang mura, tinanggap na ng pamangkin ko. Tyron, french fries. Kumain ka naman, anak.
Wala pa kasing ano to eh. Yung sa sakit ngayon sa vaccine. Ito kompleto to eh.
Ganda ng sunset. Back with this scary path. We're so near. I'm so scared. We're gonna go to the We're gonna go to the Santo Niño Church. Tyron is buying Hot Wheels. Do you like it? Tyron, do you like it? It's March 21 and now I just got home from school. It's 10 a.m. Magpapapassport ako. Half day lang sa school. So let's go. The line is so long. This is the 1 p.m. bro. 12 p.m. ata yun. Haba pa ng pila. I'm so tired. Everyone, the line is moving and malapit na kami dun sa passport something. So, hindi na rin pala siya sobrang haba. Mabilis lang. So, later we're gonna eat lunch and I'm gonna update you later. I'm gonna tell the requirements. Tapos later, I'm gonna review for my exam tomorrow kasi kanina may kulang akong 2 exams since half day nga lang ako. And tomorrow may exam pa, so I'm so stressed, pero worth it naman dahil we're gonna have a hotel. We're gonna stay in hotel sa Friday, tomorrow night sa Novotel, but different location, hindi na dun sa dati. So, bye, see you later. Side of Department Foreign Affairs. Let's go. Done. But, I don't like my photo there. Pero nakaka-pressure, nakakahiya, papalitan. Medyo tabingi maka ako, pero okay yan. We're gonna eat. Tapos later, explain ng mom ko yung requirements ng passport. So, let's go. We're gonna eat here. Ramen Kuroda. Let's go. While waiting sa Ramen Kuroda, I'm gonna explain the passport requirements for minors like me.
Kuha ka ng online appointment, syempre sa online.
Walang website.
DFA.
Sa DFA. So, we're gonna get online appointments sa DFA. Tapos,
Magbabayad ka na rin doon ng 950. Kapag gusto mo pa-deliver, meron din doon na option na kung gusto mo ipa-deliver or kung gusto mo pick up. So kapag 950, kasama na doon yung pagpapadeliver sa...
ay hindi. 1-2 ata yung binayaran ng tita.
Paano nga makikita po?
1-2, nakita ko na.
So 1,200 kasama na delivery.
Ata.
Then,
Oo.
prepare nyo lang yung birth certificate ng birth certificate niya. Make sure na naka-PSA na siya. Tapos pa-photocopy nyo na rin ID niya. Pa-photocopy nyo na rin yung ID niya. Madali na lang kasi sa kanya dahil renewal na siya. So, yun. Dalhin ang lumang passport nung anak nyo. So, kailangan kapag minor siya, sasamahan siya ng mother, ng parents.
Mother lang.
Mother o kaya father niya.
Okay.
So, make sure yung sasama sa kanya, meron din na valid ID na dala. Tapos, ipa-xerox niya din yun para madali na yung process. So, mababayad naman sila doon sa DFA. Hindi naman kami nahirapan. At mabilis lang ang process.
Yeah. Just here, we're gonna eat.